Coming right for me.
That little tide pool, so it's
Oh yeah. Ow! You good, bro? That'll be a bruise, yeah. Can you see Miguel from there? Oh my god, you're getting the tiny fish here too.
Yeah. Well, look at that.
Damn.
Sick. Hey. Is it a good one?
I'll put him in that little tide pool so he survives.
That's it.
Is that a little better?
Hey.
Hell yeah.
Reel the other ones in.
What?
Reel the others in. Oh, it's a shark. It's a shark. It's a big shark. It's a really big shark.
Big?
Big shark.
Oh shit.
Yeah. It's taking me. You see it in the surf there? Here we go, here we go.
Oh yeah, I see it.
You see it?
I see it.
Oh man. Hey. Remy, you see this? It's a big shark.
Bring him in with the waves.
Alright. Oh, here we go.
Want help? Got him?
He's a fighter. You want, when I get him in close, you want to run out there and grab his tail?
I do.
Oh, he's...
Bring him with the wave. Bring him with the wave.
All right.
Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Now reel. Watch your back.
Oh, he's going out. He's going out.
Bring him with the wave.
Oh man, look at that guy. You got his nose?
Up from the side, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, gotta go approach, we're recording. Alright, now let this sucker bite me.
Got him. If he moves, move.
Okay. There we go.
Got him. That's a shark. Gonna take him out. Record. Yeah, keep his nose to the ground.
I got it. Yep, go for it.
get them out of the water.
Oh yeah. Those are bigger. My God, bro. I'm like, what's happening right now?
Keep it tight, brother.
Trying. Holy shit, dude, that's a monster. She feels like a monster. That's crazy, bro.
Figures while we're crabbing, right?
Hey, that's all it needed.
Hey, if we can get it up to the shore, I need you to hold the flashlight while we grab onto it, Miguel.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah!
It's a big one.
It's the shore, baby!
Alright. Oh yeah. Coming right for me.
Stuck on 2 lines.
Yeah.
Well, careful. Are you good? Pull it. It's not supposed to be trapped.
Yeah.
You can be very careful, the little ones flop.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh!
Alright, we get him far enough?
Yeah, don't drag his gills.
Sheesh.
Okay. Ow! Fuck!
You good?
Damn, they're strong. Ow!
You good, bro?
That'll be a bruise, yeah. Hang on, let me get this off his tail. Give me some light. Yeah. No, back.
Alright. You can try to get him unhooked and throw him back.
Yeah, where's the hook?
Hook's down low.
Ready?
Yeah, I can hold both.
Got it.
Careful with your fingers, man.
Okay, we broke it. It actually did break.
Alright, get away.
Alright.
Miguel, get over here.
I got the camera.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, come on, Nick. Take this. Put your hand on top of his head. No, bro. Get ready to jump back if he moves. Further up, further up, further up, further up, further up, further up. Alright, ready? Push down.
Alright.
You're back, ready? Yeah, we're good. Follow me out. Stay close. I got it. It's stuck on 2 lines.
Yeah.
Rod going into the water.
That's the rope from earlier.
Okay, come on. He's going. Get me if you wouldn't mind.
There he goes. All right.